Let's get right to the software overview and take a look inside this new innovative software that you're going to love. Hey everyone, Kendall McGuire here.
And Joe Russell.
Just wanted to do this quick little video to show you the powerful Sitebildz software which will be releasing the first week of May. Now what you're looking at is the main profile page, which is the page you'll be taken to when you first log into the software. From here you'll be able to edit your personal information, add, renew, or upgrade your membership, view your affiliate link or promotional information as well as statistics, and also submit a help desk ticket should you need to. And to actually access the software, we'll go ahead and click this green Go to Dashboard button. And what you see here is the main interface of the Sitebildz software. And in the center, you'll see the scrolling list. What this is the Sitebildz future updates. These are updates that our team is working on in the backgrounds. Be released in the next few days or the few weeks. It's just to keep you up to date on what's happening in the future with Sitebildz. On the right-hand side, you'll see sites for sale at Sitebildz. Sitebildz is a new auctioning platform which we'll be introducing when we launch the first week of May. Now when you log into the software, it'll actually look a little different than what you see here. You'll see sites scrolling across that are actually for sale right now at Sitebildz, which you can click and buy with just a few simple clicks. Now on the left-hand side, we have quick login links. In this section, these are just simple links to get you back and forth to places to check either your best sellers or your top products to give you ideas on niches to go after, or you can check your earnings with AdSense, ClickBank. You get the idea. It's just a way to get back and forth to places you need to go quickly and easily. Now if you look at the section down here, the main block area, this is your project status along with your domain status and your article status. Simple toggle back and forth, check out how things are going, how things are working, and just exactly what you need to work on next. Now if you look at the left-hand side, you'll see all these tabs. Each one of these tabs expand into further. Now settings tab is basically just general, Amazon, ClickBank. These are just your username and password saved into the software so the software can use them later without you having to re-enter them. The Sitebildz tutorial section, this is the application training section. We'll show you how to get the most out of the Sitebildz software. We also have marketing training, which is a section that is jam-packed full of in-depth guides that will detail the many aspects of affiliate marketing and its counterparts. And we also want to mention that included with every paid membership are live webinar training, the advanced training with the Sitebildz software to help you get the most out of the Sitebildz software and get on the fast track to building your money sites with Sitebildz. Now, niche research section. In here you'll be able to perform all your keyword niche research for the many local databases, as well as performing related keyword research so that you'll know exactly what niches to go after and how to get those profitable markets. Niche competition, another section where you'll be able to check out your competition, your domain competition, as well as keyword competition. You'll be able to perform site rank analysis. Now, all these can also be performed on your own sites as well, just to keep you up to date on what's happening and where you should be performing more of your SEO purposes and works and such. Now, monetization section, you'll notice the Amazon, ClickBank, and AdSense. We'll also be adding our Sitebildz ad builder to this section, which is basically an ad builder that allows you to build an ad to promote any affiliate link from any affiliate network anywhere out there. So basically opens up the market for anyone. Domain manager, in this section you'll be able to manage your Namecheap and eNom account. Now before launch we'll also be adding GoDaddy to this section. You also have the My Domains, where you'll actually be able to look at your domains that you have purchased and the ones that are associated to WordPress themes and ones that aren't. You also have the domain suggestion section, which is going to show whether your domain that you were going after is available or give you suggested ones that are. You'll also be able to register bulk domains, and you'll also be able to create an email based on the websites that you own. Very simple, very easy, simple, quick process. Awesome feature. The Funds Manager, this is a simple feature where you'll be able to manage all your funds from one simple place. Purchase domains, purchase content, your choice, all from one place. You don't have to dig out your information and pay over and over and over again. All simple from one fund manager. Theme Manager, in this section you'll be able to add customized WordPress themes, opt-in templates, as well as headers. This is a growing library and will constantly be growing every month. Now in the Content Manager section, you'll be able to order content from either Article Z or Article Builds if you choose, or you go ahead and use the Article Builder software to generate content for you. And if you don't want to do that, you can go a step further and learn from the marketing guides found in the tutorial section and create your own content using the HTML editor. Now all these sections are also usable with the Post or Scheduled Content section, which will actually take your content and automatically post it to your site on a scheduled day or immediately. The SEO section, this is where you'll be able to perform quick and simple changes to your site's title, tags, description, permalinks, all in one easy place. Offsite SEO is going to help you learn a little bit more about SENuke XDR and how it can help generate some real rankings in the search engines, all on autopilot. You also get access to an exclusive offer only available through Sitebildz. Social media section, here you can post to all your social media platforms with a simple post or select one to post to, or select them all to post to. The choice is yours. This is a major time saver when it comes to giving a quick update to your followers on what's happening with your site. Now this site flipping section, this is where you can access Sitebildz auctioning platforms as well as the domain research tools to help determine the value of a site you're about to list or to help determine the value of the site you want to bid on. Now before this video gets too long, we're just going to quickly show you how fast we can go from not having a site to having one registered and online. Okay, so let's get right to it and we'll start a project. We'll right up here and click this green Start Project button. Now it's going to ask us to name our project, so we'll say now, we'll name it, and we'll just call this one Demo. And we'll save. Now our project's been created successfully. We've automatically been taken to the niche keyword competition tool, or niche keyword tool I should say. Let's just do something simple. Let's go with the GPS. It's fairly simple. You want to select your database and generate results. Now what the software is doing is using the API to go to SEMrush to retrieve data. Now this data is updated every 30 days. It's going to show you the number of results for Google, the competition, CPC, EPC, trends, basically all the information you need to make an informed decision on whether a niche is something you want to go after and whether a keyword is right for you or not. Let's see here. Let's go for our greens. Take a look at this one here. Now, if we want to add this as our main keyword, we just select the gold key. That'll be automatically added to as our primary keyword. Now, the secondary keywords are the silver keys, so we just go ahead, just for purposes, we're just going to quickly add a few in here. After we've had those added, you'll see that they'll appear up here if you want to take a look at them. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to see if we can find a domain by clicking the Find Domain button. What the software is returning is a list of domains. Now, either your domain is available or not. If not, it has suggestions here that you can choose from. I'm going to gpsurbantracker.com. That sounds pretty cool. Let's go with that one. We're just going to go ahead and click the green button. Now here we select our registry we want to go with. I'm going to go with Namecheap. I'm going to click Submit. Now here basically we're agreeing that we know we're going to purchase a domain. The domain is going to belong to the user completely. 100% does not belong to Sitebildz in any way. So they're just agreeing that they know that they're buying this domain, that it can't be refunded, and that it's coming from their funds account. So basically I'm going to go ahead and agree. Proceed. There's all your personal information that you've entered when you created your account. Again, this is Namecheap, so you even have the option to use a Namecheap coupon. I don't have one right now, so I'm go ahead and click Submit. Now basically what the software is doing is going to Namecheap. It's purchasing that domain under my account, successfully registered. And you'll see gpsurbantracker.com. Tells us the amount it was charged, the ID, order ID, transaction ID. Actually click this link and I can go to my domain. See the domains right here. Now if I want to go ahead and apply a theme to that domain, I'll just apply a theme. Select any one from the many themes that are offered in here. Now this is a growing library as well. Now this continually to grow every month. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this one here, just something simple. And we'll apply a theme. Okay. Now here we have the option to host on the Sitebildz server, or you can host on your own server. The quickest way to go about is to host on the Sitebildz server. We found that offers the quickest propagation for your site to show up. Click Submit. Now this is where the Sitebildz software really kicks into action. Now this 30 seconds is where the software is going to be setting up your DNS to either Sitebildz servers or on your own, depending on which you selected. It's also creating your cPanel and your website's hosting and automatically installing your chosen WordPress theme, all within 30 seconds. It's really amazing. without anything for you to have to do on your end. You just sit back, relax, go grab a coffee. This is how it is. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to wait for this to count down. We're going to check out our details because we're going to get a completion form, success form showing all the details on where you can log into your site. And after that, we're going to wait a little bit because propagation does take some time. Again, we use Sitebildz server when we set this site up, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab a sandwich. I'm going to come back, and then when I get back, we're going to check this site out. So here's our details. What I'll do is I'll be back in just a couple of minutes. Okay, so I'm back. I have my sandwich, and it's been about 8 minutes or so. So what we want to do is we're going to check out the site, but just for a second, I just want to explain what we're looking at here. Now, these are your details of your successful completion of creating your site. Now, these exact details will be emailed to the email account you use to sign up to the Sitebildz software, so not to worry when you go to change your page. You still have these details emailed to your account. And what I'm going to do is go ahead, we're going to visit the site here, see, hopefully it's up. There we go. Now this is a default template, the one I chose when setting up the project. Now basically, you look, everything's here. We have Auber or Get Response you can have for your opt-in, as well as Amazon product. You see a default product shown here. And what we're going to do in the next video that we produce, we're going to show you how we go ahead and monetize these sites and actually add these products. So be sure to check those out. And remember, we're launching next week, so you don't have to wait too long to get your hands on this powerful software.